Если что, звук уже пишется. Можешь открыть в ТикТоке прямую трансляцию, посмотреть, звук работает или нет? Hello guys, so for those of you who's watching me on the TikTok, just go visit link in bio and you will see whole beautiful live stream with the chart, and it will be way more easier for you. So thank you very much. 40 seconds to start. Thanks to everyone. I'm waiting for all your likes, for all your support. Today we're going to talk about the crypto and stock market. Hello everyone, thank you very much, thank you for coming. It's good to see you. First of all, thank you for your support, thank you for your likes, thanks for everything that you're doing for me. I'm really glad that you are supporting us, that you are following us, that you are press huge like button and comment everything that we are doing, because we're talking about the cryptocurrency, we're talking about the any financial assets, and the first of all we're trying to put you a little bit more thoughts of how it works. So if something gonna happen with our team, with our channel, with me, or with our algorithm, you wouldn't feel like something is missing. I will turn on the slide so it's gonna be way more better. I hope you have a beautiful image, you have a beautiful sound. Those of you who's watching me on the TikTok, just go visit link in bio and you will find the link on our YouTube channel. You will get access to whole live stream. First of all, as I promised to you, we have a small present for you. Too many people texting us about the algorithm. Too many people texting us, hey, how can I get access? How can I get access? How can I get access? I don't have time to answer to everyone, and especially I will not answer in the comments. I want to ask you not answer to anyone who texting you first in DMs or who texting you in the comments, especially on the TikTok. Too many scammers, too many scammers. I'm always talking about you need to save your money. After that, we need to talk about how to multiply your money, how to gain profit. So first thing first, if you want to get access to algorithm or you have any other questions, fill out the form in description of this video. This is the easy form. Your name, what do you prefer, stocks or crypto? What's your income? How big your deposit? And your contact. So my team two guys will contact you. They will give you additional information. You can ask them for tete-a-tete, like back-to-back call with me. If you have anything like you have suspicions that this is the scammers, we will post in our Telegram group their contact. And this is the only person who can contact you, because I want to withdraw my contact from the public, because too many people texting me. And thank you for that. Some of you texting the reviews, some of you texting me questions. I understand what I'm doing. We're here to help you. We're here to provide you more additional information. But please, we're trying to build the company. We're trying to find the huge investor. So we need more reviews of how algorithm works for you, for your asset, with your time frame, with your experience. So again and again, fill out this form. Nothing need from you, no cards, no additional information. And for those of you who are gonna fill that form, you will get 10% discount from us if you ever want to get access to the algorithm. Because I'm always telling to people, no need to pay for any groups, any education, anything. I'm here for you. We provide you perfect information, and you can save your money. You can make more profit by using our live streams or video from TikTok. Too many people start copying us. They using our information in different languages. For example, yesterday somebody sent me the guy from Italy and the guy from India, and they was like, sì, certo, questa è la suite. Tui giorni, la piscina. I love Italy, I love wine, I love cheese, I love beautiful Como Lake, I love, oh my God. You know, when you play an Assassin's Creed, there was like, oh my God, how that city? Verona, perfect city. I love Rome, I love... oh my God, how that city? No, oh my God. Not Sicily, I've never been there. Not Venice. Venice is beautiful, but not the best. Oh my God. Florence, yes, Florence. I love Florence. Florence is the best for me, like the best. So I love Italy. But this guy building his career using our information, and he's selling to you information that he get from us. That's something silly, but that's fine. Nobody gonna copy those who's doing shit. Nobody gonna copy someone who's like people copying Gucci, Prada, Versace, Louis Vuitton, Hermes. People copying like everything that's perfect. Nobody gonna copy like, I don't know, Fiat or Toyota, etc. So thank you for your support. And if you could get all this information from us or from internet, from whatever who copy us, just try to understand how it works and use it wisely. Do that. So thank you for all your comments. Yeah, Florence, this I don't know. I want to go there again and again. Like the France is on the second place. The first is Italy for European country. I love all countries. I want to travel all over the world, but Italy has some kind of vibe when you putting your suit. You taking the wine or champagne from early morning to the evening, and you always walking around until your feet starts to hurt. So I love Italy, especially in April. So I think that maybe this year I will do the Euro trip, I will do the United States trip, and we will meet with all our community, because we're growing fast, and I think that we're doing this with your help. So I will really appreciate if you press the like button. I will check how many likes we have. So 262 people watching, only 126 likes, including my like, are right now. So I will really appreciate if you all press the like button. So use our free non-financial advices and free information to be more profitable, to lose less, to be more stable, to understand how the price moves and how they manipulate your opinion, your thoughts, and your portfolio inside the media. And only after that, when you get your first $100, text us, hey guys, I have free $100. What can I do with them? Do that. Do not put your money to the groups, to the private groups, to the signal channels. We don't give any kind of signals. No, we're not that type of community. Do not buy anything. No education, no indicators, like nothing. Zero spendings. Just watch how the person that like selling you something, and we're not selling you anything. You asking us and we're giving you the permission, we're giving you the access. So take a look how this person show his trades on the live streams. Ask to, hey, can you please analyze this asset? Can you do that, and watch, like spend weeks, spend months, do not rush. You already spent too much time when you was trading by yourself, when you was losing your money, when you was doing like some crazy shit. Do not rush, please don't do that. Just try to look, like observe the person. How he acts, how he said, and how he like confirmed that he is in losses right now, how he managed his mistakes, how he managed his wins, how he support his community, and only after that make decision to like give some kind of money for consultations or whatever. Because too many people trying to sell you something and they earning money by selling you something. We're trying to give you free whole bunch of information. We're trying to teach you, we're trying to educate you, we're trying to help you. But again and again, I'm not your personal advisor. I cannot like spend all my days just texting you back and analyzing your assets or helping you to solve your position. That's why it should be win-win. We should respect each other. And the easiest way to pay us is your support, your likes, your comments. Again and again, those who's watching us on the TikTok, just visit link in bio, you will find our YouTube channel and you will watch this live stream. And especially you will find the link in bio, the first link in bio on this YouTube video is the form which you can fill, and we will get you the access to algorithm. I will take a look right now. So right now we have 13 people who fill that form, 13 people. Let's see how many will be at the end of our live stream. So I think that's enough for greetings. Put me back to the chart. Let's talk about crypto. Let's talk about market. Let's talk about what's going to happen next, because we never changing our minds. We're never giving you two ways. If we're going to go up, then we're going to go up. If we're going to go down, then we're going to go down. No, that's not how it works. We want to give you like exactly what's going to happen. And first of all, let's talk what's happened from the previous live stream. So the previous live stream, and you can watch all previous live stream on the YouTube or go on the Telegram channel. Also, I'm like telling you that you should subscribe on the Telegram channel, because I'm doing the perfect live stream like that here on the, in that moment you can switch back to my face. Yeah, thank you. My friend helping me. I hope that we will improve way more for you. So, you can watch how it works, and sometimes when I'm not doing the live streams on the YouTube, I'm doing live streams inside the Telegram channel, and I'm giving like some kind of like position which gonna work. And you saw all of you saw how previous 2 days there was the huge movement into position, like 500% profit, 800% profit. Like too many people make money, and we're trying to educate you. We're trying to give you more additional information. So let's come back to chart and what we see here. So you've been prepared that from 24th of February, the price will go down till 28, then it will bounce back till 6, and then we go down again till 10th. After that, we've been waiting until the price will go somewhere else. Like we've been trying to find all this position. We catching all this movement. All this movement are catched by us inside Telegram channel, inside private group, inside all these live streams. I'm showing you, especially when I'm opening position and I'm in the non-realized losses. I'm giving this to people to show them that I'm so fucking sure that it's gonna work. So if you have the strategy and if you have the understanding of the market and if you have the strictest risk management, you're never gonna close losses. So after that, we've been telling people that, hey guys, from the day of, I think, in my opinion, from 17, 18, we catch that movement. Then we catch that movement. And then I was telling inside the TikTok, inside the group, that from 19, from that mark, the price will go down till 23rd of March. So right now 23rd, and we catch that moment, we close the position. I was showing to people exactly where the price will be. Sometimes I'm giving take profit, sometimes I'm giving the like that, the green lines, the red lines, where you should open your position. And everyone, especially if you're watching my TikTok video, we open that short position from here and we hold it till here. Then I didn't open long position on that. No, because I'm still waiting till the end of today, maybe till the beginning of tomorrow. Again and again, I live in Los Angeles. This is Pacific time zone, and you need to understand that it's different from yours. So this is the UTC -7 time zone. So right now here in Los Angeles is 10:58 a.m. For example, in Ukraine, it's +9 hours. When we're gonna turn back the clock, it will be 10 hours difference. So just realize that there is the difference about time zone and try to calculate your time zone. So in our private group, we use in New York time zone. Like, I think for most of people, it's way more easier to trade New York, Chicago time zone because it's like the Wall Street work on that time zone, but on the live streams, on my screenshots, it's always the Los Angeles time zone. It's my time zone. So we open our short position here and we close that here. So this was the limit order and we closed it a little bit higher than the peak. On the live stream for the private group, I showed them how the lower time frame works, how even to trade on the 1 minute time frame, and we opened the long position. After that, I closed long position, and my friends, I'm not worried about that, but I will tell you right now, and please do not repeat that. Don't do that right now. Not right now. If you didn't bought any assets on 10th of March or 28th of February, don't do nothing right now. So I'm gonna tell you that I have can you turn the screen please for me? So right now I have Solana -25% of the position, Bitcoin -8% position, and Ethereum -4% position. I don't mind about that. I still thinking, and by the way, XRP still holding 98%. This is position which I didn't close. I will waiting way lower. And I'm not gonna close this position. I'm not gonna scale this position. Let's go back to chart. I'm just showing you that yes, sometimes price go higher or lower. But if I open my, for example, Bitcoin somewhere here, the price go higher, we should understand what we need to do. So let's try to analyze what's gonna happen next. And like always, we need to watch the higher time frame, then we're going lower. I'm not gonna go on the weekly time frame. You all already saw how we predict the price movement. And if you're gonna go back to our private channel, if you're gonna go in, for example, in the pinned message, and you're gonna open, for example, that screen, you will see that on the 8th of August, we predict buy in September, sell at the end of December. What happened with the price? The price go down till $54,000, $52,000, then it bounced back to $109,000. So that's how the weekly time frame works. And the weekly time frame showing us way more information. But I don't want you to like leave the channel only after you receive like, okay, the next buying point will be in 2027. Yeah, the huge market crash ahead, and we still have one more pump. That's my opinion. And I'm like, I mean it, I said it, I'm here to represent it. And we will see how it happened. You can check all our prediction, all our forecast, which we gave to people. But who remember previous live stream? I want to show you one more thing. So on the previous live stream, there was the document, the screenshot, which I made. Let's try to find it where it is. Yeah, here it is. So this is the screenshot from 16th of March, which shows us the forecast of the weather. Here is the same, where it is, the same page. Let's update that. And we're not gonna take a look what's happening today, yeah? We will take a look. So we have 24th, 25th, 26th, and 27th. So if we, I'm sorry, I accidentally closed that. Give me a second, please. I need to go back here. I need to go back desktop and I need to open that. Then we're going back here and opening the desktop. So we have 24th, which was here, 24th, 84 degrees. Now it's showing us 83 degrees. And the lowest 56, but it was 58. Sunny, partly sunny. Then the 25th was 84 degrees, 57, but unfortunately 25th will be a little bit colder. I hope that you can make the screenshot and compare how it was from 16 when you give in forecast. Sometimes something changes, so we're giving forecast. And like I wanna see your comments, I wanna see your plus, I wanna see your image, I wanna see like everything. I wanna feel your support and shout out right now in the comments, so the new people who's watching this video for the first time, they was like, oh my god, this dude, this team, their algorithm are insane. Take a look and check how we predict every crash. Tesla, Solana, Ripple, Bitcoin, Pepe, Amazon, Netflix, S&P, any time frame, any asset. We're doing that on public. So we're given forecast, but to use that forecast with the perfect meaning, with the perfect opinion, you need to have more additional information and especially more experience. So right now I'm in a short position. And what daily time frame shows us? The daily time frame, I will turn off all the marks that I put in here. The daily time frame was showing us that we are going down till 10th of March. So we all have that mark here. We all have that. Those of you who's following me, for example, for 2 weeks or 2 months, you all heard about 10th of March. Like buy, just fucking buy. From 10th of March till the beginning of May, the daily time frame showing us that the price will go higher. But the trading filter, the yellow helper, showing us that any minute, any time, we will turn around and go lower. So it means that if you're gonna take a look here, take a look on the yellow line and then take a look on the price. When it's turning around and going down, we have that movement. Take a look at this. Turning around, going down, that movement. You understand how it works, yeah? You can fill the form and ask any question about the algorithm, how it works. You can ask the tutorial video. You can ask like whatever you want from our team. They will provide you all additional information. Let's skip everything. So right now, those of you who's following us, for example, for a few months or a few weeks, you are already understand how to read that chart which we're providing to you. So we have potential move down, but for understanding, we need to go on the lower time frame, and I'm gonna use the 4-hour time frame. So what our 4-hour time frame shows us: open short position here, close short position here, open long position here, close long position here. But it's not so easy. Why I opened short position one more time? Because in my opinion, there is indicator, there is chart, there is price, and there is news. Too many people trying to trade news. I'm not that kind of person. I'm trying to understand why they showing us that kind of information in news. On that moment when I'm like doing like that, like just show him my beautiful face, show him my like, you know, like something like, I want you to feel this energy, because I'm fucking flying like 3 millimeters, 3 inches under the floor when you're showing us support, respect, and your love. I'm flying like 8 inches over the floor, over the earth, when you making profit and sending us your P&Ls. That's something like, oh my God, this is the food for my soul. Our team like, yeah, we did it again. We try, like, you know, when they put in the rocket on the Mars or on the moon, like, we don't have problem, like, how this, like, the quote, у нас проблемы. No, like, when the astronauts telling, like, hey, Houston, we have a problem. No, we don't have a problem. We don't have a problem. And you probably, using our information, don't have a problem with the market, with the investments, with the speculating, with the trading, etc., like whatever. So we're trying to put our starship not to the moon. We want to go further. We want to go to the, like, I don't know, to the different planets, the different worlds. Oh my God, please, like, oh my God, yesterday I saw the worst movie I never watched so bad movie. Two beautiful, the beautiful actress and the beautiful actor was playing in the movie. Movie looks really nice, but the fucking story, the fucking acting, the script, oh my God, never, literally never watch film Ash. That's something terrible. If you want to jerk off on the main character, do that, but nothing else. So this is about the space, yeah? They doing something in the space. So we're trying to go further in space, go deeper, like to the black holes and whatever. Let's go back to chart. So I see that the price should go lower by chart, by price point, but I have my stop losses. I'm not often using the stop losses, but why I put in stop losses? Because our forecast showing us that from earlier today or even like early in the morning tomorrow, either it's gonna be like 9 p.m. or 1 a.m. tomorrow, the price will go up. And that's why the video called Big Pump. That's why you have the green circle border on my face, because sometimes we're giving something like Easter eggs for people. We put in some kind of like additional information, and you can check it on the TikTok while I'm using the stories color. So the blue color, it's like just information. The red color, we are going down. The green color, we are going up. Yes, sometimes I'm doing that, and it's bad that I need to explain you that kind of things. But try to realize. But when they're gonna shut us down, when they're gonna shut me down, you will get information in the secret code, something like game. Probably it's gonna happen, and of course I'm gonna tell to people how to read that code. So we have that confirmation. We have that confirmation that from here till here the price going down, from here till here the price going up. So if I'm gonna put that mark here, we have more additional dates on the chart. And please guys, in my opinion, I just wanna like prepare you. Today is 23rd of March, and you will understand why I'm telling you this right now. In my opinion, middle of April could be really huge, could be really manipulative, could be really like fucking disaster. But before that, they need to give us so fucking damn sure confirmation that we're going to the moon. And only after that, they're gonna crush us again and again. So we talk about the whale. Go back, watch previous video. You will understand what I'm talking about. We're talking about the manipulation. We're talking about everything. So what everyone waiting for the beginning of April. So here is the beginning of April, yeah? Here is the 1st of April. Here is the 4th of April. From 1st till 4th, the Trump economic war, Trump fees for Canada, for Europe, for Mexico will start working. So everyone expecting that the price will go lower. Now, the price already did that movement on the end of February, on the 10th of March. So I'm trying to like analyze, I'm trying to express myself, I'm trying to give you some kind of additional information. In my opinion, we will see the pump from tomorrow I will say from tomorrow, from 24th till 28, maybe 29 of March. From that point, we will go to the correction till 1st of April. Then we will go to the correction of that moment. And I will show you exactly the same on the chart right now. And then we go down and everyone will start thinking that we are going lower, lower and lower. After that, the price will bounce back, probably hitting all liquidity, which gonna be left here. I will repeat it, exactly the same thoughts, exactly the same opinion on the chart. And only when people start believing that this is it, this is the end, 9, 10 of April, like, wow, the alt season is here, they're gonna drop the price. Oh my God, that one will be like fucking turbulence. Like you're gonna pray the God as you're praying when you flying and the plane starts shaking. You're gonna pray the God when you go into the like doctor and trying to get your AIDS test or whatever test you're doing. Like, God, please, not me. Or sometimes girls like doing the pregnancy test and like, not now, not now. I'm only 16 years old. Please, not now, not now. Like you understand. You're gonna pray to survive that fall. That's my opinion, because that fall on the middle of April could be not the last one, but I'm thinking, I'm pretty sure that that's gonna be the last one. It could be, and we're gonna talk about this. Like, we still have the months until it's happened. We're talking right now. We're giving that kind of forecast. And then we're gonna receive that kind of forecast. So 75.53, what was on the forecast on today? 78.55. Plus minus 3 как градус будет? Degree. Good with me. Fine. Who cares? So I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the chart for you. So my friends, in my opinion, this is just opinion, this is not financial advice, this is something that could happen, plus minus. In my opinion, today we definitely could hit $81,000. So people will be afraid, because from Monday, who knows what's gonna happen? And everyone will start thinking that, okay, we will go lower, we will hit $75,000 and I will open that huge long position which I missed on the previous week. Oh my God, I'm always doing that, but I'm holding that time I wouldn't cancel my orders. That time I wouldn't like skip that position. I will trust this beautiful, handsome, charismatic Andrew and I will open a position. No. That time they wouldn't give you that kind of position. In my opinion, the lowest point where the Bitcoin could go for the next couple of hours will be $81,000, something like that. Maybe we will hit liquidity on the $80,000. So I'm drawing the line right now. That's what I'm seeing. And that line will be here until the next week, or probably until the middle of April. So they will put the line lower for the next couple of hours until tomorrow morning on the Los Angeles. After that, we're gonna go higher, maybe even probably to $90,000. So the first breaking point will be again $86,000, then $91,000. After that, we're gonna trade somewhere here. Then we're gonna go a little bit lower. The people start to be something like scared because the Trump economic wars are here. People gonna see the red candles. From that point, the price will bounce back again here. Then we're gonna go lower, something like, I will put that kind of, this is the first thing where we can be, this is the second thing where we can be, and I will leave that here. This is the third. So in my opinion, we could be in that zone from $75,000 to $81,000. From that point, everyone will start thinking, oh, this is it. Everyone starts to talk about, we're going to the 67,000, we're going lower, we're going. This is the end of the bull market, and etc. From that point, from 4th, 5th, 6th of April, they will put the price higher than $90,000 somewhere here. Somewhere here. And only after that, till 16th of April, we will drop something like 67,000. So take a look at this. This is the only one line. I did that. Right now, I'm gonna put additional information. You know, I like doing that. So beginning of April, mid-April, even let's do something like that, 1/3 of April. And here we're gonna put one more mark, and that's gonna be mid-April. I wanna say something like, yeah, we're going to the moon, the price will go only up, only up. No, I'm always telling you, please split your budget, split your deposit, like do smart things. When you buy in the dip all the time, you're receiving, for example, the price drop on the 40%, you're receiving the 10% bounce back, you're receiving the 20% bounce back. Some assets like Ton, ADA, Pepe, giving you way more profit. And everyone like who's watching our live streams, I was showing you on the previous live stream the zones and exactly the yellow lines where the price will be. So you were receiving all that confirmation on the assets. Take a look at this. This is, I know that on the previous live stream, there was the huge picture of me and you didn't see the price, but I'm not here to give you the price. I'm here to give you knowledge. I'm here to give you experience. I'm here to give you like, just fucking think about it. So those of you who hit the trade from here, you receive 42% of movement. Those of you who trade, for example, where is the Ton coin? One of my favorite coins. This is not financial advice. So I delete that mark here, but if you're gonna go in the previous live stream, you will see that the mark was on 2.62. 2.62. And you received that kind of movements, 45%. Now I leave that mark. Now I'm like waiting that the price will go lower, something like $3, and I will buy back it. But let's go back to the Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin. So this is my opinion. When I'm drawing that lines, it means that it's showing you the movement. It doesn't show you like where exactly gonna be the price. When I'm trying to put the marks like that, that was the opening of the short position. I'm delete that. That was the price where I'm expecting that we need to hit that bottom, then we're gonna go lower, lower, lower. That's the first zone where I'm expecting to reaction, where I'm gonna analyze one more time. That and that mark here, just to be prepared that from that zone, probably we can open short position if our algorithm give us confirmation. How am I gonna use that? When we gonna see the date, when I'm gonna see the confirmation on the trading filter, I'm gonna make decision, I'm gonna put my money. I'm still expecting that that line will work and we will see the price even lower than $65,000 because we have that mark here, $75,000. Previous mark maybe somewhere here. That's how it was on the previous live streams. Like I'm always giving some kind of like thoughts, opinions. I'm giving some kind of advice. That's how it, where it was, where is our, yeah, my favorite. So from here, we're going down. Everyone will expect way more higher. The price will come back here. From here, we're gonna go down lower. So that's how it works. I will delete, I wanna clear the chart because everything works perfectly. We will be here till 6 off, here. Here is the line, so I'm deleting this, I'm deleting this. We will be here till 10th of March, and you will find that I post that weeks and months before it happened. I was drawing that small dick pattern on your eyes. I'm deleting that, I'm deleting that, I'm deleting that. That's everything that works. We don't need that information. We don't need that information. You don't need like to spend hours to understand how or what I was trying to tell you. Just go and watch how it works when I was telling you when we don't have the what's gonna happen tomorrow. So I'm gonna release this chart. Nothing happening. It's free. It's empty. I'm gonna go back to the daily time frame, to the Bitcoin chart. And that's what we should expect, because if the price will be on the $75,000, if the price will be there, $73,000, and you're gonna open the long position and you don't have the other confirmation except like everyone opening the long position from 75 and I'm gonna open the same position from 75, no, please don't do that. You should understand that if too many people reading the chart, too many people reading and putting their like expectation on that, I'm sorry for that. Sorry. Don't do that. This is the live stream. I cannot cut it out. I want coffee. I really want coffee, but that's fine. You want to go down? You want to do this? You will do this for me? Can I like for you after that? Yeah? It will be perfect. Please, please, please. Here is that. Do not close the door because I need to send you the... Yeah, leave it with the chart. Thank you. This is my friend Vitaly. He will call you. He will text you if you fill in the form. Let me check how many people fill the form. I'm not gonna open that form because the haters, the scammers will remember this form and will contact you first. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. I will watch it later. So I'm trying to prevent you from scam, please. And especially when you hearing me with the video call, ask me to put like something in front of my face. So the AI, the deep fake cannot work. Like literally from today or tomorrow, we're gonna use the watermarks. We're gonna use the watermark because you send in your money to like whatever whom. Why are you doing that? Send it to children, send it to your mother. Don't trust anyone except process. I'm sorry, my brother texted me right now. I need to read that. Give me a second, please. Give me a second. Give me a second. So we received the first article about us. The New York journalist wrote a small article about us, and it's really good. And right now I'm trying to find the public relation assistant for our team, and probably they're gonna write about more because we predict the price movement. We predict all market crash. We need to call to Warren Buffett. We need to call to the fucking BlackRock and say to them, hey guys, don't do that anymore. Don't scam people. Do not put people in the long-term investments so they will receive in like 20 years of non-realized losses. No, guys, it's not how it should work. So let's come back to the chart. If you're gonna open on $75,000 long position, probably they're gonna put the price lower than 67,000, and that's where we can receive the price. But why we call that video big pump? Why I'm expecting for the big movement? The big money need time. So for example, when you trying to raise your children, yeah, they are beautiful from the beginning, but they will give you something back only when they're gonna be grown up. When you're trying to put the tree on your front yard or backyard, you need time. You need to how to say that? You need to treat the tree properly. If you want to get shadow or apples, the same with the money. The big money need big time. That's why for those of you who's willing to invest, you should use the daily and weekly time frame, because investments means time. Trading means minutes, hours, days, weeks, whatever. What I'm trying to say to you that when I'm gonna go on the weekly time frame, you will understand the whole picture, the big picture. but we're trying to catch every week movements. We're trying to catch every month's movement. So to be more accurate with all of this, we need to go on the 1 hour time frame. And here, my friends, we can find where I need to close my position. Probably at 3 a.m. I'm gonna sleep. Probably in the next few hours, for example, when the Asia will wake up and will start trading, the price will go lower. It will finish that moment. So if I wouldn't preparing the live stream, where should I open my short position? Here, my friends, here. From this turnaround point. Where I open my position, I will tell you. That was yesterday. Yesterday, before I go on that like stupidest film, $84,600. $84,600. This was my previous limit order, which wasn't triggered here. Oh no, not here. Which wasn't triggered here on my cryptocurrency exchange. $84,600, somewhere here. So that position was opened yesterday while I was sleeping. Oh, no. So, okay, I understand what's happening. I understand. Probably I opened my position somewhere here. And here on 84, 600, 84, 700, 800, like whatever. The position was like fulfilled again. So from here till here, and I will find you the screenshot, the yesterday screenshot, because you know, I'm that type of person who wanna be, this is the Z here, or, so this is the exactly the same Ethereum position, which was in profit yesterday. This is exactly the same Solana yesterday position, which was in profit. I can send it to the group. I'm trying to find the Bitcoin position, exactly the same position with the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was like something like, I don't know, 12, 20%, 25% profit, but I didn't fix it. I didn't do nothing. And right now, here is my entry point. So the best entry point for me, if I was near the laptop or whatever, was here. But that's fine with me with that entry point. When I'm gonna close this position, when our yellow filter will be in the lower part of chart, something like that. You see, lower chart turning around, lower chart turning around, lower chart not, but turning around, yes. So close short position, open long position, close short position, open long position, close short position, open long position, close, and something like that. For example, that line. You see, movement up, movement up, movement up, movement up. So when it's gonna be, close it. Thank you very much. You are the best person in that room, excluding me. You need to treat people like. And by the way, like, if you want like some kind of tips or, I love coffee. I'm addicted to coffee. Thank you very much. Thank you. Appreciate that. This is my friend from Ukraine. I wish you all the best. I wish to every people in the world everything, excluding one big, huge Eastern European country. I'm not gonna tell this because the TikTok will ban me, but you know what we all wishing to them. So I will wait until the price will be here. I will close my short position, and from that point, from that mark, maybe it's gonna be in 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. I will probably put the limit orders to open long position. Maybe even I'm gonna close my position in the break even. I will close it when I'm gonna be not in profit, not in losses, like on my entry point. But please remember that there is the fees, there is the funding fees, there is opening, closing fees, like whatever. Just remember about that. You remember this huge whale? His funding fee was like $500,000. This is insane. So that's how we're gonna find the more accurate going on the lower time frame. But my friends, my dear friends, let's go only once on the weekly time frame. What we see on the weekly time frame, why we was so pretty sure that from September, from here till December, till here, the price will go up, and we all catch this moment. Why we're pretty sure that the price will go down, and we have the deepest dip here, 2027, and one more at the end of 2027. So inside of 2027, just remember, when you're gonna quit your job, when you're gonna say to your boss, you know that. Did you saw the Californication TV series? Do you remember like the new boss of the uncle Kalini, the big woman? Like she was like, so she was always telling like, Kalini out. So you're gonna say your last name to your boss. You're gonna drop the mic, and you will like just tell him like, I'm done with all of that. Just because you will have more information, you don't need to spend all your life working on the job doing someone more wealthy. No, respect yourself, respect your time, respect your dreams. Just go back, close the laptop, put the video on the pause, and think about your childhood dreams. You definitely don't want to be that kind of person who you are right now, but from here, till the middle of 2027, we will have the bounce back, but then we're gonna have one more bottom. This is 2027. Let's skip 2027. Who cares about 2027? Who cares about that? We cannot pay our mortgage. We cannot pay our bills. Like the 1st of April is here. I need to pay my bills. I need to understand what should I do right now. So that the weekly time frame. Inside the weekly time frame, there is daily time frames. Inside daily time frames, there is the 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. So just try to understand what you want to do. How many trades you want to open. So what we see here, I always talking about that the summer will be the end for the Bitcoin. Summer, this is the end for the Bitcoin. But also, I'm telling people that the end of the market for that season will be October, November. Just put the fucking notification to your phone. Please, Mr. Apple or Mr. Samsung, please, can you please remind me at October, November that I need to sell all my assets? Not because Andrew said that, no. Just remind me to take a look on my portfolio, to take a look at the chart. It's like fucking 7 months from now on. 7 months of our live streams. You're gonna be like with that kind of glasses, like you're gonna be like the professor, I don't know, who's clever professor? Moriarty, yeah? You read the Sherlock, yeah? You're gonna be like, I think I'm the one of the Professor Moriarty. You're gonna be like Sherlock. You're gonna be way more positive. You're gonna understand the market. You're gonna understand the movement. You're gonna understand the risk management. Just spend your time not with Netflix. But that's what our forecast shows. You cannot forecast weather on July, but we all know that there is gonna be a sunny, hot weather all over the world. That thing could show us that there's gonna be the sunny weather on the crypto market. Sunny on the summer. Then the price will go lower, the dominance, everything. We're gonna talk about that. I know that how long it takes, like 53 minutes of talking and talking. That's not for me, that's for you. You need to understand. I'm gonna repeat it all, like I'm gonna spend so much time that you need until you're not gonna understand. We have that confirmation and then the price will go lower, yeah? But let's take a look at this guy. Let's turn everything off. Do you remember? Buy here, sell here, buy here. Who said that? Again, where to buy? Again. So you, Mr. Andre, telling me that I need to buy here. Yes? Green. I need to buy here. I need to buy here, 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 maybe here. And I need to buy right now, yes? Let's go back on the chart. Let's go back on the chart. For example, let's do something like that. we are on the chart. So all these green marks, excluding that, don't waste your time on that. We're talking about that marks. If you bought here, no matter when you're gonna sell, we're talking about the buying. So that mark was here and it shows us 89% movement. Let's delete it. Did it work? I think yes. The next mark was here. What's happened next? You bought here. Oh my God. Oh my God. What's happening? Oh my God. Take a look at this. How did he know? Then my friends, this is the only weekly time frame. We trying to catch all this movement because we need money every day. So you bought here. Can I delete this? Because we have that movement. We have that movement, 76%. Fine, okay. Let's see how it works with the next line. Mr. Andrew. Did you bought here? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. So, as far as I understand, we bought here, we got that movement, and then after that, you didn't tell us where to sell, you just tell us where to buy. We have the one more confirmation. And how to buy here? Go in the lower time frame, my friend. That's it. And we bought here, what's gonna happen next? So you telling me that the price will go higher, yes? And the next buying points will be in August 5th. Yeah, we predict this huge crash. God bless the developer of this algorithm. I wish him the most. The TikTok will ban me for that. Like, he need to be treated like a god. Like, people should wash his hands and legs with the champagne. Especially this guy from the Italy. Sì! I will wash you, my friend! Certe queste! I don't know why I'm telling the certe queste all the time, because I was playing the role in the theater back in Ukraine, and there was like, I was playing the mechanic from the body shop. I was fixing the car, and that was something like the guy asking me how many days until I will give him back his car. I was like, 2 giorni sarà preparate, sì, certe queste, 2 giorni sarà preparate, and like too many words, and this was funny for me because I'm definitely not Italian guy, but I have Italian friends, and I have friends who speak natively Italian. I love this language. So the next point here, what's happened with the price? Again and again, my friend, the next buying point here. Where the price? Here. No matter where you're gonna buy it, like just buy on the week. We gave you the week. Buy on the first week of July. That's it. Where the price moves after that? Oh my God. I'm sorry, Mr. Randy, how you do that? So you've been posting all of this? The guy from India will text me one day because I block him. He was like, oh my God, Mr. Andrew, yar. I want to talk to you, Mr. Andrew. So how you did that? Tell me, explain me, please. And everything is are posting in your Telegram channel? Oh, yar. So you said that we need to buy here. Again and again, my friends, I'm going to delete this line. Take a look at that fucking bottom, $49,000. I'm going to delete that line. You all knew what's going to happen next. So from here till here, 30%. Then you buying again on that line. What's gonna happen next? We all knew. Whee! Then the price going down again. Then the price going up again. So, for example, yeah, you bought here, you bought all this line. Who cares? You buying only here. You find us on the first video which pumps on the TikTok was posted 28 or 30 of October, and I was telling to people, like, hey guys, please, I'm begging you, 4th and 11th of November, just fucking buy any crypto. This is gonna be huge. I sold my watch, I was trying to sell my car, I sold second car, I was like, I need to put all my money in that. And then you buying, for example, yeah, the week, here or here. You all knew what's happened with the price. You all knew that. Everyone knew that. It works all the time. And right now, I'm receiving that kind of fucking confirmation. How many times we miss? 0 fucking times. So we're receiving that confirmation. Take a look at this. That confirmation with the green triangle, it means that the next will be huge. I'm not talking about like huge like $250,000. I'm not talking about too huge like $1 million. Forget about that until 2029, 2030. Forget about that. Let it come back to $110,000. Let it be $120,000, $130,000. Let it be there so you who's buying for $100,000 or $109,000, let's help to those who's texting me, who's like typing the comments, I will do exactly the opposite that you're saying, you're a stupid Ukrainian guy. Take a look at yourself. Fool. Let them fix their losses in the profit or break even. So the chart showing us maybe you will consider to buy something from here and hold it until we'll be in that point. That's it, my friends. That's easy. You don't need to know nothing. You don't need to give a shit. Just, hey, could you buy something for me because this guy telling me that I need to buy? But there is the perfect buying points. Because too many people like, oh, he said buy. Okay, 100 leverage. I put in all my money and I will buy right now. Why are you doing that? You don't know nothing. For example, I have scars on my head. I have 7 or 8 scars on all my head. So you think when I hit my head, forehead, or like whatever head, I was like, okay, I need... No, I go to doctor. Don't fucking try to cure yourself from poorness. Try to understand the past. Try to understand what you shall do and go on the lower time frame. One more thing, my friends. I wouldn't talk about the altcoins today, not for you. I talk about altcoins for the private group yesterday. And those of you who want to go to the private group, the link in the bio, you will find it. You will find it in the description. Just go and watch the previous video. But if we're gonna open there, take a look at this. So Solana, and we're gonna go lower. Here you see what asset we are looking. You can see the asset here, or you can see the asset here. So Solana, Ethereum, XRP. This is the fucking meme coin. Who cares? DOT. You see? And if you're gonna go back here and you're gonna put all this mark here, let's come back here. So if you bought here and here, here and here, the price go up. Easy. Like you don't need to do nothing. You just trying to catch all this movement. Let's turn it off again. Take a look at this. Triangle and cross. Cross more powerful than triangle. Atom. You see what's happening? Go back to 3rd, 10th of April, 10th of March, because this is the weekly time frame. You see? The weekly time frame, and you will find the best entry points. Compound. ICP. ZK. This is the coins which I'm holding. Optimism. GLMR. Arbitrum. ADA. TON. That was perfect. Gala. Doge. Pepe. I can do this all day with any assets. What confirmation we're receiving from... Tell me please. That's gonna be... I said who was born in late 80s, early 90s. They was like, yeah, I love this song. Las Ketchup. So this is gonna be like, I wish you were here, me on mine, countryman, wish you were here. What's gonna happen with the price? What's gonna happen with the price? I wish you were here. The price will go up. Don't worry, those of you who bought here. Just scale your fucking position here. You will have the middle price somewhere here. And then you will fix not profit. Let's talk about not fixing the losses, the main thing. So let's go back. I'm not gonna watch the chart on the weekly time frame, and I'm not gonna do this for you, not right now. But let's take a look on the weekly time frame Bitcoin dominance. And my friend asked me today, why are you always talking about Bitcoin dominance? I was like, because there is, for example, total, yeah? There is the market capital, how many money inside of the crypto market. We've been here 3.7 trillion. In 2021, we've been 2.8 trillion. So right now we are exactly the same capitalization of all market, 2.74. This is the whole crypto market. And what we're receiving here, I will zoom in. I will zoom in for you, my friends. I will zoom in. Maybe someone of you cannot understand, but I will zoom in. I don't have problems with zooming. I will zoom in. Okay, we will do something like that. I will zoom in. Can I zoom in or not? Please help me. Help me, I need to zoom in. Can somebody help me to zoom in? Yes, I can. So we will zoom in. We will fucking zoom in. What is that? Oh, green triangle. Okay. Thank you for zooming in for me. So we have that kind of things here. So it means that the total will definitely gonna go higher. What does it mean? You, the boy in the corner, please tell me, what does it mean? The price will go up, yes. The market cap will go up. Why? Because they need to put you greedy thoughts. They need to show people that Trump are working and everything are perfect and the market are going up. And only after that, they need to sell to you. For those who's like, why this guy talking to me like that? Who gave him permission to tell me that I'm stupid? I make $6 million in my life and I put them in the market for $108,000 because I really believe that the price will be $250,000. So why he talking to me like that, this motherfucker? Because right now you are in losses. And I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm not trying to like prove you something. I'm just the guy who's talking. And almost all the time, my speech became prophecy. So everything that they are buying from you here will go up. And yes, I pretty sure that the first stop will be on the $4 trillion. The second stop will be near the $5 trillion because they need to sell to everyone who's like, oh, again, March 2024, I missed this opportunity. November 2024, I missed this opportunity. I will never miss this opportunity again. So I'm gonna buy when? Probably in July. Just please tag me on the video when it's gonna be July and you will be like, yes, we're going to the moon, now we're going to... I'm selling my apartment. Fuck off, poor life. Yes. No, we're talking right now, like, yeah, you should consider of buying, investing, scaling, averaging your position, like do whatever you want because we have the huge confirmation. If you want to find the best, like, for example, 28th of February, 10th of March, follow us. Try to understand how the lower time frame works. So this is my opinion that the price will do something like that. Maybe even we will repeat that chart. After the price will be here, we will have movement like on 40% lower, and everyone will start thinking, okay, we have the discount, exactly the same which are happening right now. So can I be wrong? Can we be in exactly the same position? Of course. So I was talking about that too many months before, They put in the price higher. We all start talking that the Trump will change our lives. They giving us discount for 30 or more percent. So right now we feel greedy. We feel like, oh, no. Here we felt greedy. Now we feel ourselves like we feel fear. No, we're gonna go lower. So can the price do something like that? Of course it can. Of course. That's why I'm talking like, hey, let us survive the April. Let's try to catch all movements. But if I have that confirmation that from April, you see, from April till July, the higher time frame will turn around. Here we are starting turning around exactly on the 10th of March. Exactly. The date where I was talking about. So it means that when we're gonna analyze the chart, when we're gonna watch the chart, the price will go higher. Where? We will see. Who cares? I truly believe that the price will hit something like $115,000, $120,000. From that point, when you start feeling greedy again, like when you start hurting from all your friends, from like whatever who are your concierge in the building, your taxi driver, or who cares? Your friend from the high school will call you. Did you heard about that Bitcoin? It's going to the moon. Sell everything. Sell this motherfucker. And please count that from the first green candle, first huge green candle, 3-4 weeks, done. So this is waiting enough for me to understand that the price will go higher. Let's go back to the Bitcoin dominance. What confirmation we will see? I will delete all my drawings. You don't need that. Just try to consume the information. On the weekly time frame, we're receiving that the price will turn around, yeah? But we still have that opportunity. So everyone asking when the alt season will be. Maybe at the end of the year, October, November. But if we're gonna go on the lower time frame, we will find that marks May, June, September. So when the Bitcoin dominance will go lower, the altcoins will pump and perform. You need to wait that. Okay, we can go in the lower time frame, but I wouldn't do that. If we're gonna analyze USDT dominance, it means that when the USDT dominance are going up, the price are going down. When the USDT dominance going down, the price are going up. What it shows us on the daily time frame, that till the May we are going down. So it means that from that high, from that peak, from that 5.8%, the price will go lower. USDT, USDC. Dominance. There is some kind of chart. I will find that. There is the chart which includes USDT and USDC dominance. But still, we need to wait until the Bitcoin dominance and USDT dominance will go lower. So the total will perform, but it still shows us on the daily time frame, almost every asset showing me that we are still not in the end of the correction. This is not the best time to put all your money. Yeah, sometimes I'm talking about all in, but I'm putting like 10-20%, because when that day arrives, I can analyze and understand that, okay, it's not the end. But I'm gonna buy, I'm gonna scale, I'm gonna average my position. The total too, the same things with the everything excluding BTC. It shows us that everything should go up till June, but inside that movement we will have one more correction. On the weekly time frame, take a look. Weekly time frame of total 2, everything excluding the BTC, everything will go up till the end of July. Total 3, everything excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, the same. Till the beginning of August, we will go up, the same thing. Others, top 125 coins excluding Bitcoin and top 10 altcoins. It shows us that July, this is the end. So that movement, try to understand me. Try to understand me. By the way, I was drawing down, up. Can I delete it? You don't mind? Can I delete all these green marks and everything like that? Who needs that? It's already done. So, in my opinion, my friends, if we're gonna go on the weekly time frame back, and I will draw you, we are waiting, we're expecting that moment, yeah? For example, it will turn around. The price could turn around from here. Please try to understand that. I'm not that type of person who will tell you that Solana will cost $800. No, I'm that type of person who telling you I'm not gonna buy Solana lower until we're gonna be lower than $40. I'm not gonna buy Ethereum until we're gonna be on $1,500. All these yellow lines, can I delete them, please? Can I please tell me, please? Because I want to delete them. Because who cares? Take a look at this. All these green lines, all these yellow lines. The price will go lower until 10th of March. So the price will go lower than that. What can I do with that line? I can delete it. Take a look at this. The price, take a look at this. This is the best entry point for Ethereum. And it was here. It was already here. And you know the date. So I'm gonna delete that fucking line. I don't need that line. That's line not for me. Price will be here until 4th of April. I truly believe, my friends, but can I change it? Not on the 4th. Can I change that on 16th of April? Can I change it right now? Because if you're gonna watch my previous video, that line was here before, maybe before the beginning of February. And yes, the price will be here, don't worry about that, just hold your fucking Ethereum. But I want to tell you that in my opinion, the price will be lower than $1,600 till the middle of April. Yes, unfortunately. If not, take a look at this. Then the price will bounce back. So I have that mark here, yeah, for example. I have that mark here, which shows 4th of April. And I will do the same. That's my opinion. Either it's gonna be, oh, by the way, I'm sorry again. It shows us that probably for the Ethereum, it could be not 16, it could be 24th. So I'm gonna change here. I'm sorry for that. 16, we'll do that. 24th. It's my opinion. The Ethereum will cost $1,600 from the middle till the end of April. Period. Trademark. Can I delete this? Can I delete the mark which was here from 19? Yeah? Will it work for you? The almost 6% movement, will it work for you? Who cares about that? Who cares? I'm telling you, the price will come back in that zone, 25, 28. I'm thinking that till the end of the year, we will see higher than $4,000 because nothing stopped the price. Those of you who believe like the price are going up only because we are buying, the price are going down only because the whales are selling. We are not selling. Like, no, it's not something like that. The price are going there where it should be, where they put in the price, because there is the fucking algorithm. So we're not gonna talk about assets. We're not gonna talk about altcoins. Not today. We're not gonna talk about that. We're trying to understand what gonna happen with everything in the nearest future. So if I'm gonna open, I will close the second laptop. I don't need it right now. If we're gonna open the 4-hour time frame again, and we're gonna take a look at the chart, for example, we're gonna take a look at the chart. What we see, that the price will definitely gonna go higher. But first, I think we're gonna hit that liquidity. If we're gonna hit that liquidity, there is the huge possibility that we're gonna go lower till $78,000, $77,000. It doesn't mean that you need to open your short position right now. No, not right now. I'm in a short position. I show it to you. I'm in a short position. If you want, you can repeat that. But don't ask me when to close the position. Don't ask me where to close the position. If you want to get more additional information, if you want to use that thing, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. If you want to use that with any time frame, the minute, the second, the range time frame, if you want to use it with any asset, for example, as we did it before with the Nasdaq, just go on 21st of February and take a look how we predict that movement. How we predict that fucking movement. Can I delete everything? I don't need it. Just go and fill the form. Link in description. Only under YouTube. Hey guys, this link wouldn't appear on the Telegram, on the TikTok. This link wouldn't appear anywhere. That's only for people who respect us and watching our YouTube video. This is the one-time offer. Tomorrow, in the morning, I'm gonna delete this link. That's it. I know that people gonna watch this video in 2 days, in 3 days, in 5 days. Tomorrow, I'm gonna close that offer. It's not something like, I'm gonna put my name and they're gonna charge me. No, zero, like just, if you wanna get additional information, if you wanna talk about that, fill this form. Our management will text you. Our team will talk to you. They will explain you how it works. They will give you some kind of like, you're just gonna have small talk about that. Because when people texting me, I'm just telling them, okay, no, yes. I'm not selling anything. I don't need to sell anything. You wanna buy, you wanna get information. I'm just telling people, like, for example, if you're gonna go and press the link on the private group, you will get 24 hours free access to the private group. I will show you the private group. This is the private group. You're receiving here information, how the asset will work, where to buy, where to sell. You getting access to the live stream, exactly the same live stream. For example, here, 2 days ago, 1 hour live stream. Yesterday, I think more than 1 hour it was hour and a half. I'm doing almost every day live streams, almost every day. You can go, you can spend 24 hours of consuming information. Try to find, for example, Tesla. It will show you how it works. Try to find BTC. It will show you how it works. You can go, just for example, yeah? This is the TIA. You press in here. So 8th of March, we said that the price will do something like that. You're going back here and you see how it moves from here till here. So you get the notification by 9th of March, then the price did that. That's it. You don't need nothing else. Just try to analyze. And on the 23rd hour of your day, you put in the notification, queue with the private group. You use this Andrew, don't pay to Andrew. I don't need your money. You paying to other people. You helping to our team to produce you more. You paying to people who live in Ukraine. That's it. I will do my money on everything else. I really thankful to you because you helping me to like work with people to pay their salaries, whatever. So right now, tell me please, is there any comments that I should give answer? Is there something that we should talk about? You just this is gonna be the third coffee. I'm gonna die. Come here. I want to kiss you. Take a look at this beautiful. I'm doing everything for you. Everything for you. This is my sister. Take this.
Yeah, I have two.
I have two. No comments, like literally nothing to answer. Go down. No, go down. Go try to read the new one. I think that they're gonna text something. Pepe, please. Okay. So I read the Pepe. No. Sonia, should I talk about Pepe? No. Okay. Sonia, decide. Can you take a look at the phone? Everything good or not?
Live disconnected.
Live disconnected. Okay, I don't know. Okay. No. Just turn off the phone. Did you close BTC short? No, I was talking to you. I'm still holding it. I will close it later today. I'm still holding the Solana, the BTC, Ethereum, and Ripple. Ripple gave me 107%. By the way, the auction and ZRO was closed yesterday. That was the huge one. I love it. I definitely love it. No comments?
They're quoting you.
They're sure?
Quoting you. Quote.
Can you press the comment? Like, press the comment. Guys, don't rush, please. I'm asking you. Just hit the comment, or you can find it. No, you can? Nothing special. Do not rush, please. I'm asking you. Hey guys, I want to tell you one more thing. If we're going to talk about the altcoins, I talked about them yesterday in the private group. This is the life hack. You don't need to do nothing. Just go visit the link in the description, subscribe on the private group, and leave the group before you're gonna be charged. This is the automatic system. Consume the information from yesterday. Watch this video, that's it. Just hit the like, your mom will, yeah, hit the like or your mom will like. It's not my words, like, one crazy gypsy cursed me when I was young. She said like, hey, you will be the blogger, you will talk about money. And those who wouldn't press the like button, their mama will like... That's not my words. I wish all the best to your parents. I wish all the best to everyone. That's something that there is opportunity. Please talk about DOT. DOT is my favorite coin. I don't know, maybe on almost $200,000 in DOT. And I truly believe in that asset, but the main thing why I'm doing that is you can stake that coin and it gives you 19% per year, and all this percent giving you every day, so you have the compound percent. It's perfect. What do you think, Paul can arrive? Paul Walker, he's dead. Asking for 105%. Maybe there is commission. Don't care about that. They wouldn't charge you, please understand. This system will charge you only 24 hours. Just consume that information and leave the group. That's it. Easy. Do you offer group discounts, possibly deal to someone who advertise for you? Nah. I don't want to put someone higher than others. I always talking to my team, to my partners, like, hey guys, maybe we should do something like marketing strategy. Maybe we should like try to give people discount on the first months or whatever. And they are always telling like, why should we? Just explain me, why should we? If you have $100 and you're paying for some information, you're receiving way more information and you making more profit. If you don't have $100 and you put in $50 for the group or $20 for the group, or giving you like the free access to the group, how you will make profit if you don't have money? Don't put your money, don't buy anything. I was telling to you like 2 hours ago. Try to consume the free non-financial advice. Try to understand how it works. Go follow this Italian guy with his like Portofino porque putana vaffanculo mana. Try to consume information. Do your own research. Do not rush. Do not put all your money in the profit. So no screen here. Yeah, I'm gonna check. I want to see how many people fulfill the form. So we have not so much, only 59 people only 59 people interested in the algorithm. And it's fair enough. Fair enough. It's almost, give me a second, I will take a look. It's 20% of those who's watching this video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I will really want to talk with you about every asset. The only thing that we can talk about, I promised that. Can you go back to the chart, please? I was promised you that on the last week. Let's talk about, where is the cursor? Okay, here it is. Let's talk about gold. Too many people was asking us about the gold. So, in my opinion, first of all, my friends, about gold, from tomorrow, we will see something like that, and then the price will go down. This is the 4-hour time frame. We will go from the lower till the higher time frame. So why I'm thinking that the price will go back, because we have that movement. So the price should go up again, probably tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday. You know why? Because people has expectation. People will withdraw their money and put in the risky assets. As we said before, I think that from tomorrow the price of the Bitcoin will go up. So it means that almost at the same time the price of gold will go down. The chart showing us that. The algorithm showing us that. We are on the all-time high for the gold. If I'm gonna go higher time frame, I will do this right now. Take a look at this on the daily time frame. It shows us that we are turning around. So if I were you, I will fix my profit. That's waiting enough. You know, I'm working with the big investors. I'm working with the like billionaires, and sometimes we're giving them non-financial advices. We tell them, we like consultate them. And the last gold advice was given in February 2023. That was crazy. I think the price of the gold was $1,800. Let's go back to the February here. So the lady, yeah, we told her like buy for $1,850. I have the conversation on my mobile phone. So we told her that buy here and sell for $2,500. For example, somewhere here. Then she asked us again a few months ago, I was telling her like on the 4-hour time frame, yeah, you can buy it, but please sell it on 3,000. She didn't vote it. She wanna, there is the lady, she wanna buy it for a few $1 million, but she didn't vote it. She was like spending too much time on the conversation, on figuring out how and where and something like that. We're trying to help her. Like my partner, my Ukrainian partner right now watching it, I was talking to him like, hey, can we do that? Can we help her to buy it in Dubai, in Switzerland or whatever? He was like, yes, of course, we can do whatever you want. Because he's doing that kind of things. He's like, he has the huge investment company and he helps people to invest in the gold, in the palladium, platina, silver, like whatever. So he was like, yeah, we can do that. But still, if I'm gonna open the conversation, you will see that kind of movement. And for the people with the huge amount of money, this is really big. I will open you right now. I will open you the chart. I will ask you in a minute to shut down, and not right now, to shut down the screen. I will open the conversation and I will ask you to turn it on back, okay? I will show you the messages which I'm sending to my friends, to the huge, big investors. And we're gonna talk about the platina and palladium. So right now, all I can say to you that the price will turn around and will go lower. But after daily time frame, can I go on the weekly time frame? Take a look at this. The gold will go so fucking down. And you know why? Because they are selling gold in the Walmart. Take a look at this. Buy gold. Take a look at this. Give me a second, please. Here it is. they sell in gold in the Walmart, 4 pieces, 4 ounces in the hand. Buy gold, Costco. Buy gold, bar. Where is Costco? Oh, here it is. Take a look at this. Every stupid, like, everyone could go to the Costco and like, oh, I'm investing in the gold. I'm gonna hold these bars in, like the film with the Jackie Chan. Do you remember God? Armor of God. Do you remember this movie? There is the huge amount of gold. Hey, no. Where is the gold? Where is the gold? Where is the gold? Show me the gold. Please. I need to find. Do you remember that film, this funny film? I love this guy. His son said that he's gay and he was like... Do you heard that story? His son said that he's gay and Jackie Chan said like, you don't get nothing from me. Like zero. My father will do the same. My father, like the zero tolerance guy. Where is that? Give me a second, please. Gold sin. Where is the... Jackie Chan. Nazi Gold? Щось таке хотів сказати. Like, this is the film which I'm trying to find. Jackie Chan, Armor of God 2. Why they're not showing us? Do you remember this, like, the guy in the wheelchair? He was hiding the gold there. What's wrong? Show me something. That's kind of thing that I want to do, like, in the future. You remember, like, you're gonna search something, what I'm telling, and you were gonna show it on the screen. That's gonna be huge. Like, and by the way, Vitaly, so I wanna do that. I wanna rent the office. I wanna make this build, and I wanna talk with you about the market because I need someone to talk. Like it will be way more perfect when 2 opinions of people will be like when somebody gonna ask the questions. Okay, it's like I cannot find that, but everyone who's buying the gold on the Costco or Walmart, like they feeling like they are Jackie Chan who find the gold, like the whole amount of gold. Oh, I remember. Do you remember this guy? Where is that? Bruce Willis, Die Hard 3, gold. Do you remember this guy? Like crazy. We all watched these movies like when we were kids. Like they literally has like $75 trillion in gold in Manhattan. And they was like putting this in the trucks. What the fuck is that? The first thing when you can buy gold, whatever you go, and they telling you only 5 pieces in the hands. Come on, so you're telling me that I'm gonna buy it right now? Like the situation with the eggs right now in the United States, you cannot take more than 1. I taking my girlfriend, she taking 1 egg box, I'm taking another one. We're going on the cashier and like, can we have 2 separate checks? Like the system trying to fuck us. They trying to say to us that there is no eggs, there is no gold. Bitcoin could work only like the... Okay, now my brain hurting and I cannot translate too many words. I think that's it. Can you turn back my beautiful face? 2 beautiful people in one... It's not gonna work like that. You're going on the pool? Yeah, I will visit you there. So friends, I want to say thank you. I want to say that Bitcoin and all crypto market will go up. we still have this huge opportunity for first week of April and 16th of April, the huge mark, the huge attention sign, like boo, boo, boo. 16th of April. Guys, in my opinion, that could be huge because they're gonna manipulate you. Maybe on the next live stream, I invite FBI agents or someone from IRS. We're gonna talk with them about, hey, can you explain me how your algorithm works? If you wanna get access to the algorithm, if you wanna get discount on the algorithm, fulfill the form. Our guys will text you. Probably they're gonna text you right now. Probably. Just talk to them, ask your questions, receive information, do your own research. Do not rush. Do not put all your money in the positions, because yesterday and day before, 2 positions was given to the people on the live stream inside the private group. We're not given signals because people don't try to understand. You can take this one. This is from Yerevan. This is cannoli. Italian cannoli. Certo questa. The Italian who's watching me like, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? You know, when I'm traveling to Germany, they all think that I'm the German. When I have the long hair, this is the blonde hair, I'm like in the coat, I'm walking around and they was like, Straße streben, Straße schnatzens, nicht nichts machtens. And I was like, sorry for that. Mercedes-Benz, nicht verstehen. Nonsense nines. By the way, I was talking about the Elon Musk, the things that happening with the Tesla. Can you go back to the chart, please, right now? Let's go back to the chart, guys. This was crazy. This is the crazy thing, because we predict all huge movement for the last year for Tesla, Nvidia, and other stocks. Just go in the public channel. You can find the link in bio and type Tesla and go back to summer 2024. Go back to summer and just watch how it works. So we said that from 21st, 22nd of February, sell your fucking Tesla and then buy here. This is on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame, or whatever time frame. Like, take a look at this. We would been telling people like, wait until the beginning. Like, in my opinion, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the next week will be the best week for Tesla. On the 4-hour time frame, it was here, 11th of March. But who cares? Like, those of you who's been buying Tesla here, if you're gonna buy it for $200 or $250, you're just gonna scale and get the average price $375. So those of you who's been buying for $400. So I talk about some crazy conspiracy theory and been talking about the, let's go back to my, the picture of myself. Yeah, those of you who's following me, I'm just said the crazy things. Like, I understand that he can't make the insider trading, but who cares? He can sell his assets and start talking shit, start doing whatever he wants with the Tesla, with the Donald Trump, or like whatever. So everything what's happening, he made the huge amount of money from November, from the inauguration of the Donald Trump, from the beginning of November. He made 100% profit on his stocks. So while he was $200 billion billionaire, he became $400 billion billionaire. Like, he doubled his asset, he doubled his net worth. Why he can't sell it or get the loan on his assets, so he don't need to pay taxes on his assets because he's not fixing? Then he put in the price with his words, acts, whatever, on 50% lower. He buy back the assets from you, and he paying his loan while he was pumping the Tesla for the next couple of months. So I'm telling you that, let's go back to the chart, please. You see, this is the 4-hour time frame. From 10, 11, from here till here, the price will go up. Go and read all our thoughts of Tesla. till the May, we will see price something like $300. That's my opinion. $360. Then we're gonna see price way higher till the end of May. And if we're gonna go on the weekly time frame, the price will still. So what the price will do? On the weekly time frame, the price will go up, then it will turn around and will go down till August. So if I were you, and I'm not gonna, or I wish to trade, if I wouldn't wish to manipulate or speculate the price, I will wait until the end of summer. That's it. At the end of summer, you will get like the biggest discount on Tesla. You will get the biggest, the lowest APR. You will get the cheapest full cell driving, EcoBoost, whatever. Like, what are you doing, my friend? Okay. I think that's waiting enough information for today. Let's go back to my beautiful face. Thank you very much. I'm telling you, thank you. We will do one more. By the way, if you live in California and you have like some kind of space, rent it to us, please. I know that I can rent the space by myself, but I want to rent it from someone whom I can trust. I want to build relationship with you. If you have like free space in your office, and especially somewhere here in the Beverly Hills area, make me call. And by the way, fill the form if you want to get access to the algorithm. So we have right now almost 100 people. Thank you very much. Thank you. Take care. Love, peace, profit. Here you see the red button on this. Yeah, just press it. Ciao. Arrivederci.